arrange the following steps of somatic hybridization in a correct sequence. So here correct answer is B. Somatic hybridization, it is one of the technique of tissue culture method which is carried out in 5 steps. First step है isolation of single cells from 2 different varieties of plants. Second, digestion of cell walls with the help of enzyme cellulase, and that wall-less cells are called as a protoplast. Now third step, isolation of necked protoplast. Then fourth is fusion of protoplast to get the hybrid protoplast, and that hybrid protoplast which is obtained from the 2 necked protoplast, it is then allowed to grow in the laboratory medium to form the new plant. In like such way, somatic hybridization process is carried out in the laboratory to obtain the new variety of the plant. Next question, the toxin proteins isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis coded by which of the following genes would control cotton bollworms and corn borer respectively? So here correct answer is C, CRY1AC and CRY1AB. So toxin protein encoded by CRY1AC controls the cotton bollworms insect, whereas the toxin proteins encoded by CRY1AB control the corn borer type of insects. The human protein named alpha-1 antitrypsin obtained from transgenic animal is used for the treatment of, so here correct answer is B, emphysema. So emphysema is a lung disease which is caused due to the deficiency of alpha-1 antitrypsin. और इस डिसीज में क्या होता है, लंग्स के जो एल्वियोलाई के वॉल्स होते हैं दे गेट डैमेज एंड ड्यू टू विच patient do not get enough oxygen. Nowadays, by using recombinant DNA technology, this human protein alpha-1 antitrypsin, it is obtained from transgenic animal for the treatment of disease emphysema.